everyone, Spin says hi too. I'm Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Warm-Ups with Kathleen YouTube channel. We've made it to the end of another year together, marking the end of just about 5 years for me here providing weekly vocal warm-ups for you. I thought I'd end this year with some of my very favorite vocal warm-ups and vocal exercises. Next year, I have some really great things lined up for you, so I hope you'll take a moment to hit those like and subscribe buttons if you haven't done so yet. As always, let's begin by coming into alignment. Maybe roll each shoulder up, back, and down. Breathe and sigh out. Go ahead and round your lips as if you're breathing in through a straw. We're going to breathe in a couple of times. And as we do this, we should feel the abdomen release and expand on the inhale. Now let's move to an easy hum. We're going to sing on Staying on a semi-occluded sound, let's sing on a V sound. We'll glide like today, feel free to switch octaves anytime you need to. Now we're going to make a creaky door sound. Eee! We will glide from top to bottom a couple of times. Eee! We're trying to avoid any big breaks in the sound. If you feel a break coming on, slow it down a little bit. Again. Singing on an efficient E sound, we're going to sing on key, like key. not yet taken a look at my mobile app for singers, I hope you will. It's so convenient. It has some of my very best warm-up playlists at your fingertips, and you can even save your favorites for offline use. New features coming in 2025. It's available for all mobile platforms in the App Store and on Google Play. Links are below. Let's sing this next vocal warm-up on a lip trill. We can sing always makes my face tickle. Let's open up to some vowel sounds now and sing ho, ah, e, ah, o, like ho, ah, e, ah, o, 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 ho, ah, e, Let's add a little bit more movement and flexibility. We're going to sing on May Mah Mo Moo, like May Mah Mo Moo, 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 May Mah Focusing now on relaxing and releasing the jaw, we're going to descend on Fah-ee. There's just a little bit of gentle movement and the tongue moves with the jaw. Like this next vocal exercise for singing in a connected and easy way. We're going to sing on the syllables Thoh, ah, and the pattern sounds like this. Thoh, ah, with a triad arpeggio on va, like va, 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 va. We'll take this pretty high, hang in as long as you can, but switch octaves if you need to. Va, 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 va. 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 Thanks so much for warming up with me today. I do hope you'll check out my Vocal Warmups app and go ahead and subscribe here if you haven't yet. Let's do it again soon. I'll see you next time. Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you.